1963 Buick Riviera. Gorgeous looking car. 401 V8 nailhead in it with a 4-barrel carburetor. And automatic transmission underneath. Very clean lines, very straight wheels. We also have 15-inch factory chrome wheels. Leather interior. We also have power brakes, power steering, factory steel air cleaner as well. Original chrome and trim all along the body. The white exterior has been repainted, shows very nice. We also have as I was saying, it has dual exhaust. Paint does have some blemishes. I can show you a couple here. Does have the factory radio in it. Odometer reads 42,575. Very nice interior. Leather seats. I'll show you the headliner as well. I'll fire this up for you. Starts right up. Very, very nice running and driving car. I'll get out of it for you so you can listen to that V8. Go around to the back. If you have any other questions, please feel free to call at 507-386-1726, or to see any still pics, underbody, engine bay. Check us out at uniqueclassiccars.com.